Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janet, and if this is your first time here, also welcome. Today we're going to be doing an all standing cardio workout with a resistance weight. So I have opted for a 3 kilos in my video. Feel free to go a little bit heavier, a little bit lighter, or grab something that just gives you a little bit of resistance to add and elevate your workout. If you enjoy these type of videos where it's all standing or using weight resistance for your Pilates, please let me know by leaving some comments, liking my video and subscribing to my channel. Now let's get started.
Okay team, let's grab that weight. First move is a step touch with the weights pushing forward and back. Try to see if you can push the arms just forward so it stays towards shoulder height, giving you maximum workout there through the arms as well as raising that heart rate. But still keeping it nice and safe for the knees, so making sure the knees have a little slight bend in them as you step side to side. It's a nice quick workout today, just 10 minutes, adding that weight resistance of medium to heavy, just to elevate it a little bit more. Alright, coming into that 10-second rest. Now remember, as always, if you're feeling zesty, you keep going, otherwise take the moment. So you're going to just keep your legs wide and swinging the arms up above the head on the diagonal, shifting that body weight to one leg while the other one just taps to the floor. So make sure you're rotating through that hip joint and your knees and toes are all in the same line as you twist it through. Your stomach muscles definitely have to be holding you because you are swinging quite a heavy weight now above the head. So think about like a little drop in the middle and then lifting it up. A smile if you wish with the arms. You're just drawing a sharp smile from one end to the other. Careful of your lower back, so you always got to pull in your stomach muscles to keep it safe. Perfect. Have that 10 seconds rest. We'll keep going. Alright, so we did the smile, now we're going to do a rainbow. So we're going to lunge from side to side, start with the right, lunge it to the left, and the arm swings above the head now into a rainbow position. So if you think about the two moves, the first one we're doing the bottom of a circle, and now you're bringing it up to the top of the circle, lifting it with an arch in the middle. Top of the circle, we're drawing with the arms. Keeping your arms nice and straight. Again, especially when the arm starts to lift above the head, your stomach and core have to be engaged. So you're tensing up the midsection of your body. And that's how you work your abs at the same time while you're standing up, as well as raising your heart rate. Come into the middle, have your feet just about shoulder width apart. We're going to reach that weight all the way down to the floor and then lift it up above the head nice and quickly. So with your body now a little bit warmer, we should be able to drop that bum down in line with your knees. You're aiming to get the weight as close as you can to the ground and then lift it up. Breathe out on the push. Inhale, drop. Exhale, push. So if your knees are a little bit uncomfortable today, you just know not to drop it as low. But if you are dropping it low, make sure your knees are bent over the toes. Sometimes people do a little bit of pigeon knees where the knees are facing towards each other. But you want to push them outwards. Keep it nice and safe. Squeeze the glutes as you raise up. Good. All right, have a moment here. I should have elevated the heart rate. So we're going to turn to the side into a lunge, come into the middle and lift it up. So right side lunge, come into the middle, lift, and then turn to the left, lunge, come into the middle and lift. So I would suggest do this slowly at the start so that you know that you need to turn your back foot in line with your front, keeping your knees safe and keeping the alignment nice. And then as you get more confident, you start to speed it up. So you go lunge, middle, lunge. Always bringing in that lift up and squat in the middle. Good. All right. Pushing it up above that head, making sure you're lifting that weight nice and high. Straightening out the arms as you come into the middle part. Using the big muscles, dynamically moving to raise your heart rate at the same time. Good. Have a moment here. 10 seconds to rest. All right. So we're going to lunge to the right side and then start to lift the arm up in the middle. So tapping in with the foot, my level ones if your balance is a little bit off today, but otherwise you're going to start to lift that right knee up past your hips. Reach down with the weight to the right side as you lunge. So the right leg needs to be bent and the left leg needs to be straight for this to work. And pull that belly button up again as you lift the arms up above the head. Good to practice your balance at the same time as you're doing your cardio. Excellent. Have your rest here. All right, so we're just repeating that move, but we're going just to the other side. So the left leg will step out into a lunge, bending low, and then tapping the foot in. Level twos, you can start to lift the knee on the left up past the hip. Arms raised up above the head there, swinging your arms down and lifting it nice and high. As you get more fitter, you can always choose to upgrade your weights and get a little bit heavier, because it will definitely help you with that result of toning and sort of keeping that nice and fitness in the heart and overall body tone. Nice work, team. Have a moment. It's more than 50% of the workout done. 4 more moves to go. We're going to turn to the right side and we're going to do a knee in. So bending into your right knee, left leg comes in and out like so. My level ones, you do not have to move the arms at all. But level twos, as my leg shoots back, my arm shoots forward. And I bring the arms and legs in together into the middle to say hello. And then I bring it back out again. I find this one definitely gets your heart rate going and works your arms at the same time. But again, like I said, if your shoulders are not up for it or you're feeling a little bit more tired now, just focusing on the legs and leave the arms out of it. But if you've got a bit more energy, I would say keep going, because you've only got 3 more moves after this one, which is only about 3 minutes of work, faster than a snooze. And rest. All right, returning over to the other side. Same move is going to happen. Knee in and out with the arms, pulling it in. All right, start with the leg first. Left leg is bending, staying low, and then arms shooting in and shooting out at the same time with the leg and arm. Make sure you are breathing through these exercises, team. Once your body actually comes into rest, you might start feeling a bit sweatier, because that's how it works with your body's trying to cool itself down. Muscles are working through, burning those calories. Ten more seconds, team. You've got this. And then just 2 more exercises to go. Stay with me if you can. Perfect. All right, have that moment of rest. All right, we're stepping into the curtsy. So one leg is going to be behind and the arm is going to sort of do a crisscross down to the leg. All right, and then we're lifting it up with a bend as I do the levelings. And then we're going to start to bring the arms up a little bit higher now above the shoulders. For my people that are feeling still energetic, you take the arms up past the shoulders, up towards about headline as you come into the middle, and then you sweep it down. Now, it does require a little bit more coordination in this one, so you can start with the legs, bring in the arms later on, and then just let the momentum move your body. All right, let's rest it out. 10 seconds. Last exercise coming up. We're going to drop the weight into the middle of our body, and we're going to step in, out, and then lift with the opposite arm. Good. So the side that you step to, that's the side the arm is going to lift. Step side and then out. So I'm going to step to the left, and the left arm lifts. I step to the right, and then my right arm lifts. Of course, if you step to one side and forget which arm needs to come down and lift it, don't worry, just choose one, as I believe somewhere along the line I get confused as well, and I might do the same side twice, and I might confuse my left and right and which one needs to lift the arm up above the head. As long as you keep moving that body, reset, make sure you try to get equal reps between the arms and legs. Step in, out, and then lift. Yep, I've done the same side twice. Good. All right, people, just bear with me because we're just going to do a quick little stretch here. And then we are done. So taking your legs nice and wide, reaching down towards the floor. Take your legs nice and straight. And then lean towards your right side, stretching out your inner thighs and outer thighs here for me. And then slowly into the middle and over to the other side. So this is a very nice quick stretch. Of course, if you want a little bit more, go check out my other videos. Feet coming in a bit closer, chest down towards the thighs, so elongate out your back and hamstrings. This is just a quick one just to get that body moving. Stepping your right leg back, right arm up, and just stretch out the back of the arms that you used a bit to swing those weights about. And then swap to the other side. And the tricep is stretching at the same time, the left. Arms linking below, lifting up through the chest and your chin. This is a lovely stretch for your chest and shoulders. And clap, you are done. Thank you so much. Hopefully you got your cardio in today. Make sure you leave some comments, like, and subscribe. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.